Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a YouTube thumbnail on CapCut PC. So go to library and go to local and add in your video. It's fine if it's moving. You're just going to go to the part where you want it to be the thumbnail basically. You can like freeze it, but it's not very necessary. You're just going to leave this line over here. Go to canvas to add in a background. I usually add it from style. Oops, hold on. There you go. Just select whichever background you want for it. Maybe something like this one, for instance, or like that one. Or hold on, let me see which one. Okay, maybe like this one. And then after that, you can add in a frame if you want to, and I'm just going to leave it plain. Select text, and you can add like a text template if you wanted to. Like this, but I'm just going to add in like a normal text here, and I'm just going to name it YouTube thumbnail. Well, you can just name it the title of your video. And then I'm just going to select the font for it. I don't think I'm going to choose this one. Maybe something like this one, and choose like a color that matches the background. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Oh, also, to export it as an image, select these 3 lines and then select export still frame. Type in YouTube thumbnail, save it to this folder, and press export. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!